Hi, I'm Penny. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. We've got a bit of a different one. We got this box and Paul was given a hamper from work for a Christmas present. So we thought we'd come on and try some of it and show you it. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. So we thought we'd come on and show you it and try some of it.
Yeah, and see what we don't like.
Yeah.
Like
right.
the mince pies.
Oh, yum.
What are we going for first?
Should we go for... I don't know.
Okay, so the OT mini bites, 4 cheese, matured cheddar.
Nice. We did bring some cheese in, and I obviously have a coffee.
I've got some lemonade and I've got some butter here too.
Have you got a knife?
I have a knife. Yep.
These look
tiny.
tiny.
They feel tiny. Where can you see? Let's swap that one over.
Oh wow, they did it.
That's a right word.
That's what they look like. They're diddy.
Oh, you can smell the cheese in them.
Hum.
Yeah, there's loads of information in there.
They're quite heavy, aren't they?
They're nice. You can really taste the cheese in them, which is
But they are heavy, like
dense.
almost like yeah. You'd only need a cup. Well, I'd only need a couple of those. Paul could probably eat them like a packet of crisps.
No,
No, too heavy
they're
for
not
you.
that Moorish.
No. Right. Right.
Nice though.
Yeah. Okay. Right, we've got one thing here that neither of us are going to try, and that is this Cartwright and Butler Finest Tea Bags English Breakfast. There's 10 in here.
Lucy, you got something to try?
Yeah.
Please.
We'll give them to Lucy because she's the only person in my house that drinks tea. The only one. So yeah, we got tea, but that's not going to be ate by us. Oh, mince pies. I love a mince pie. Look at those. I wonder if they actually look that...
Let's see if I can...
There you go. They look traditional mince pies. How do you open it?
4 traditional mince pies with a rich mincemeat filling, juicy fruits, delicately flavoured with spices in a short crust pastry.
And it's Grandma Wild is the name of the brand. Never heard of it. Let's have a look. Oh, num 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 num. Num
Yeah,
num.
they look alright, actually.
Do you like mince pies?
Not the greatest fan of them, so... Not the greatest fan of them.
Well, I want to try it, but the chances of me being able to eat a whole one.
No, so we should definitely share it.
Yeah.
Shall I
Yep, cut it
pass
in.
you that?
Okay, we'll cut in half. Oh, look at that. Look, it looks amazing. Look at that. Oh. It's quite heavy again, isn't it? The pastry's not light and fluffy.
No, it's good.
It's nice. Nice. Next.
I don't normally like a mince pie, but that was actually really nice. Cambric Extraordinary Nuts. Excuse me. Sweet chili peanuts and cashews.
Oh, nice.
Baked.
Baked in small batches for a big flavour.
That went down the wrong hole.
I'll let you do the honours. Now, if I say I like nuts, are people going to take that the wrong way, do you reckon?
Maybe.
I love cashews and I like peanuts. Ooh. Mmm. They're nice. Spicy mind. Do you like?
Yeah, I'm really getting the sweet part of it though. They're delicious, really.
Yeah, they're really nice. And they're not really hard either, are they?
I struggle with my teeth, obviously. But, no, they're really nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
One more.
Oh, go on then. Get a bit of cheese to take away the spice.
I cut too much cheese.
Right.
Those I'm going to give a miss. Because I'll be eating it till tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't like those either. What are they? Bonbon. Yeah, I'm not. They are strawberry flavour, hard-boiled sweets with a fizzy centre.
To be honest, that's a brick. They're all one solid bit. You'd never get one off them without breaking them.
Yeah, that's not a bit of me.
Go for the thins or
I don't mind.
get rid of the coconut?
Look. Yeah, we're going to pass that on as well because that's toasted coconut with white chocolate. And I'm not a fan of, well, I don't like coconut. And I'm not a fan. Oh, they're biscuits. Oh, maybe. I don't know. I don't like coconut. I can't abide coconut. I'll try it for science.
Oh, they're soft. Smell lovely.
No. No. Not for me. No. No. No, I don't like them. No. I am going to like the next two, though.
I'm not a big fan of coconut, but they're all cookies normally, but they're really, really nice. They're really, really flavourful. Yeah, I like that.
All right, well, you have them then.
Right, let's go for these ones.
Ginger thins. I love gingers. I love ginger nuts. Ginger, well, ginger anything. I love ginger.
But as a Christmas hamper from my boss at work, yeah, it's quite a nice gesture, I guess.
Yeah, well, it is nice.
We did have an amount we could choose from, or different things, etc. And I don't drink wine. No one else in the house drinks wine, so we didn't go for that. I don't drink like real ales, and there was a real ale box as well. I can't quite remember what else was on that list.
No.
There was a few things, wasn't there, to choose from. And so we went for this one to, well, give you the video and see what your reactions are to...
Trying these.
God, they're really strong.
Oh, nice.
Just had a wave of ginger. Yeah, actually, they're quite strong.
I like those.
Is that what you'd class as a slider?
No.
You can leave lots of them.
No.
And then there's one last thing.
These are chocolate twists. And now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to love these. Have they got any flavour to them? Cocoa. Cacao. Cocoa. Just chocolate. Chocolate truffles. I can get on board with anything chocolate. Apart from white chocolate. I don't like white chocolate very much. So they're like this. Let's have a look. They look like knockoff Lindor, I'll be honest. They're all right. Does anyone remember cheap advent calendar chocolate? I think the brand is Kinnerton. You used to get in your chocolate advent calendars when your parents didn't buy your Cadbury's. You used to get the real cheap chocolate. That's what it tastes like. Isn't it?
Nice. But yeah,
It's all right.
I don't eat a lot of chocolate. I did eat a lot of dairy milk at one point, but they're okay. They're palatable. And
That's it.
So what's your favourite out of that lot?
Ginger snaps or ginger thins.
Mine's the cashew and peanuts. They're really nice.
I've got a bit of mince pie left. The ginger thins are amazing.
Good. That was quite good.
So, thank you, Paul's boss.
If you liked it, if you like that type of content, give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos to come. Comment. Have you ever tried a hamper like this? Are you going to get a gift from your boss? Some people do, don't they?
Yeah.
Andrew did. Andrew got a T-shirt with the
Company logo.
company logo on. But yeah, that's it from us. Yeah, if you don't know what to comment, send us a Christmas tree. That would mean the world to me. But that's it from us. And hopefully we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.